Hello everyone and welcome to Market Ki Baatein. My name is Raja Venkatraman. I'm the co-founder of NeoTrader and also your trading influencer. Been in the markets for more than 15 years, happily married with a loving wife and an energetic son who keeps me on the run just like the markets. So friends, welcome everyone as we are seeing the markets witnessing lot of volatility and we are always trying to find out what is really happening और मार्केट्स में जिस तरह का जो हालचाल चल रहा है उसमें से हम लोग देख रहे हैं कि अब करना क्या है and what we got to do. So namaskar everyone. So it's good that all of you are joining in and at 10 o'clock today we are going to be discussing about what really is happening and what are the possible outcomes that we can expect, etc, etc. So there are many things which are happening in the market and in market ki baatein I always try to touch upon some important elements, some important aspects जो जिसके बारे में हम सोच सकते हैं एंड जिसके बारे में हम काम भी कर सकते हैं, राइट? So that's what is the whole aim, and those of you who have been tuning in regularly to market की बातें have always found something interesting, something interesting to think about, interesting thoughts to discuss और उसके बीच थोड़े आइडियाज़ भी मिल जाते हैं आपको. So today मैं आप सब लोग से पूछ रहा हूँ कि which would you play the IT sector now और IT सेक्टर में कौन सा स्टॉक आप प्रेफर करेंगे? Which stock would you like to trade in the IT sector? क्योंकि IT sector has been one of the most promising sectors. कोविड, नॉन कोविड, ऑल द टाइम इट हैज़ बीन अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग स्पेस. और अगर आप देखेंगे ओके लास्ट ईयर से अब तक most of you will be aware that the IT index is at an all-time high. So can someone tell me how much gain it has made since the last 1 year? Can anyone put a number to that? Can anyone put a number to that कि कितना गेन हुआ रहेगा the IT index? हम IT इंडेक्स के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. सो IT इंडेक्स कितना गेन हुआ रहेगा? व्हाट डू यू गाइस थिंक? 20%, 30% or more? What do you guys feel? Does anyone have a number? Okay, we'll talk about some stocks also. आपके क्या स्टॉक्स है, मेरे क्या स्टॉक्स है, इसके बारे में भी हम चर्चा करेंगे. बट लेकिन पहले बताइए कि कितना प्रतिशत बढ़ा होगा IT इंडेक्स, क्योंकि IT इंडेक्स आज ऑल टाइम हाई पे है. यस, 25%. ओके, यस इट हैज आउट परफॉर्म द निफ्टी. बताइए, मैं एक छोटा सा पोल ले रहा हूं आप लोगों के साथ. कोई कह रहा है 25%. बताइए बताइए, एक नंबर बोलने में क्या है? सबको पता है IT इंडेक्स बढ़ रहा है और एक ऑल टाइम हाई पर है. सो व्हाट कुड बी द परसेंटेज? कैन एनीवन टेक अ गेस? IT index, what could be the percentage gain? Yeah, I think that some of you are going down to your charts or going searching somewhere. I'll give you the answer. It's around 140%. A 140% gain in the IT index. So 70 is the Nifty. The Nifty IT index, right, from the March of last year to now. So you can see the quantum of gain that we have seen in the IT index, and the IT index has been phenomenal, right? It's not moved great, it's phenomenal. मतलब ऐसा कभी आपने देखा ही नहीं. And every dip in the IT space has been bought into. And can you all tell me some additional factors जो अब उभर रहे हैं which can add to the current IT flavor? जैसे कि आपको पता होगा, always the IT stocks begin the result season, और जो Q4 है 2021 का, जो लास्ट क्वार्टर का जो रिजल्ट्स है, that's going to begin from next week. The big names I'm talking about, and Infi is coming out with his results on April 14th. So that's going to begin the set of IT results domination. तो IT के results आएंगे, और आईटी के स्टॉक्स और भी फ्लेवर में होंगे. अब आईटी इंडेक्स भी चल रहा है. सो व्हाट कुड बी अनदर ट्रिगर पॉइंट? कैन एनीवन गेस और कैन एनीवन सजेस्ट और कैन एनीवन शेयर? चलिए गाइस, आप लोग सब काफी पहुंचे हुए खिलाड़ी हैं. यू गाइज नो अबाउट द मार्केट्स. आप रेगुलरली ट्रेड करते हैं, मार्केट को ट्रैक करते हैं. अगर आप पार्टिसिपेट करेंगे तो मार्केट की बातें में मजा आएगा. मार्केट की बातें इज नॉट जस्ट अबाउट मी, इट्स अबाउट अस. सो लेट्स हैव दैट इंटरेक्शन एंड कीप इट गोइंग. या गाइस, सो व्हेन यू टॉक अबाउट additional, yes, very good point, Shatru. Yes, that's what I was looking out for. So now you can see here that currently everyone is having some confused state. So again, similar to last year, we saw some good move in pharma, we saw some good move in IT. So the IT is gaining prominence and IT sector is also gaining dominance. So prominence और dominance के साथ साथ and IT space is overall gaining some momentum. अभी एक अलग तरीके का इंडस्ट्रियल रेवोल्यूशन शुरू हुआ है. जो काम करने के तरीके थे, इट इज चेंजिंग वेरी रैपिडली एंड एवरीथिंग इज बिकमिंग इंक्रीजिंगली डिजिटलाइज्ड. यानी कि सारे मामले में हम डिजिटल हो रहे हैं और द ओरिएंटेशन जो है, द ओरिएंटेशन इज टुवर्ड्स डिजिटलाइजेशन. और इसी की वजह से it becomes very very important that this particular sector is actively tracked, and whenever you get an opportunity to participate in certain stocks, it will make it a very very interesting scenario to profit, right? Because profit तो कमाना है, लेकिन आप सेक्टर के बारे में ध्यान देंगे तो आपको काफ़ी अच्छा क्लूज मिलेगा. और हमेशा मैं हर एक सेक्टर के बारे में डिस्कस करते रहता हूँ. वी आर डिस्कस्ड ऑन फार्मा, वी आर डिस्कस्ड ऑन मेटल्स, वी आर डिस्कस्ड ऑन बैंकिंग. सो टुडे विल स्टार्ट विद आईटी. हम अगली मार्केट की बातें में विल डिस्कस अबाउट सम मोर सेक्टर, राइट? सो चलिए, आप लोग बताइए कि आप लोग कौन से स्टॉक में पार्टिसिपेट करना पसंद करेंगे. व्हाट इज द पब्लिक ओपिनियन? कौन से स्टॉक में आप पार्टिसिपेट करना चाहेंगे? लेट मी सी द टॉप 10 names. So let me see the first 10 names which are coming on the screen so that I'll know that who is which stock is appearing maximum number of times. Chaliye, which stock would you like to participate from this week for the next few weeks? Which stock you feel is looking good? Some of you had also posted on okay, Motherson Sumi, Infi, all right, Tech Mahindra, TCS, okay, Infi, okay, Infi, okay. So from the way it looks like, the overall setup or overall stock selections which are emerging, उससे लग रहा है कि Infi is a preferred one. So let's talk about Infi. I'll be talking about some more stocks as well. So if you take a look at the setup of Infi, it has actually crossed its previous results. Jan 21 का जो high है, Jan 21 high it has crossed, right? So we'll speak about the other stocks also, but just try and get some perspective on certain stocks. So that's what is today's discussion about. कि ये जो stocks है, जो जाने माने नाम है, जो नए खिलाड़ी भी है मार्केट में, इस चीज़ों के बारे में हम बात करेंगे. And the first stock, which is of course everyone's favorite, Infi, right? So Infi, right? Infi का जो momentum है, it has actually crossed 1400. Okay, so 1400 was a very important zone. 1400 was a zone where the markets moved very very well. The charts of Infi, it rose quite well, and it crossed the high. Okay, इन्फी क्रॉस्ड द जैन 21 हाई 2021 का जो हाई है वो इन्फी अब क्रॉस कर चुका है एंड दैट पॉइंट इट देयर वाज अ स्ट्रगल आउट देयर एंड वंस इट क्रॉस दैट हाई इट वाज एबल टू सस्टेन ओवर इट. तो वो एक काफी इंपॉर्टेंट जोन था इन्फी के लिए और अब रिजल्ट्स के पहले इट हैज क्रॉस दैट लेवल एंड इट डेफिनेटली मेक्स इट अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग केस क्योंकि अगर आप इन्फी का चार्ट देखेंगे तो इट्स क्वाइट स्ट्रांग एंड इन्फी इज डेफिनेटली वन स्टॉक विच शुड बी देयर ऑन योर वॉच लिस्ट एज वी अप्रोच द रिजल्ट सीजन और आईटी सेक्टर को भी देखते हुए. तो कई लोग ने कहा द स्टॉक ऑफ विप्रो. सो विप्रो के बारे में आप बात करेंगे तो विप्रो हैज नॉट बीन परफॉर्मिंग सो वेल आफ्टर द प्रीवियस रिजल्ट्स. सो अब जो विप्रो में जो मोमेंटम है ओके अब विप्रो में जो मोमेंटम है इट हैज नॉट बीन ग्रेट बट देन रिसेंटली एक ट्रेंड लाइन ब्रेकआउट आया है क्योंकि उसका जो 450 टू 460 का जो जोन है ओके वहां पर एक काफी परेशानी हो रही है एंड द सप्लाई पॉइंट एट दैट लेवल is definitely causing some problem for Wipro. So yes, now there is a good breakout which has emerged. There is a nice trend line breakout which has emerged, and the possibility of Wipro to continue higher is there on the cards. But then we got to wait and watch क्योंकि Wipro का जो momentum है वो फिलहाल उतना सुस्त है and it is just showing some signs but it's still not there. Okay, so what about the other stock? Somebody mentioned TCS. TCS has been doing well and TCS is trying to go up. So TCS is at a high of around 3300 and it is trying to ensure that the 3300 का जो high है it is able to hold on to that, it is able to retain that, but then it is having some challenges right now and it's going to be a good play but then it's definitely a good candidate. So between the big names Infi and TCS look good, and HCL Tech had a promising move. Okay, HCL Tech had a promising move, but then what I found on HCL Tech, okay, what I found on HCL Tech is that it is having difficulty to cross its previous high. There are a lot of supplies emerging out there, and it had an initial threshold. It has moved on to the next threshold, and unless and until it moves above 106070 you will have some challenges right now. So we got to wait and watch but then overall setup of HCL Tech looks definitely good but then it will be on a wait and watch list while TCS and Infi have already given an open clearance that it could definitely move higher. So that is what is looking like a promising setup and TechM continues to be waxing and waning और TechM में फिलहाल कोई ट्रेंड क्लियर नहीं है and I would definitely keep TechM by the side because I have found the trend to be very misguiding and there is no clarity right now on the charts of TechM. So it would definitely be a wait and watch. Or when I go down to other promising stocks or the B category stocks, if you were to call them, they are looking very, very good. So there are a lot of names which I can share with you. One of them is L&T Technology Services. Today it made an all-time high. The stock continues to do very well, and at every pullback, it is giving you an excellent opportunity. It is giving you an excellent opportunity. And the other stock, okay, other stock which I would like to suggest is Mindtree. Mindtree का जो performance है has been phenomenal. Mindtree it had some initial resistance zones way back around 1000 levels. And once it crossed 1000 levels around a year ago, the move has been phenomenal. The steady move and the recent move, it had some congestion zone around 2000 levels. Uske baad, the move which you have seen in Mindtree has been very, very strong and positive. So what are these charts indicating? These charts are indicating that there is a widening interest in IT sector. इसका मतलब है कि काफ़ी लोग पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं. आप एम्फेसिस का नाम ले लीजिए, आप टाटा एलेक्सी का नाम ले लीजिए, ये सारे stocks फ्यूचर्स में आने के बाद दे हैव विटनेसिंग मोर मोमेंटम, मोर पार्टिसिपेशन एंड डेफिनेटली आईटी सेक्टर जो है, ओके, इट कैन बी द वंस इन द एफएनओ सेगमेंट और इट कैन बी वन इन द कैश सेगमेंट, ऑल द स्टॉक्स आर रिसीविंग कंटिन्यूस अटेंशन. एंड जैसे कि मैंने आपके साथ डिस्कस किया था कि द आईटी इंडेक्स इज एट एन ऑल टाइम हाई, the overall momentum जो है it is showing some strong move to the upside, and every dip seen in the IT names are being bought into. So किसी को लगता है कि बड़े नाम कोई खरीदना है, there is nothing like that at all. There are these second rank stocks which I spoke about, they all are doing quite well. So I am going to be covering a detailed video on the IT sector in the next few days. You can take a look at that video. You can go down to our YouTube channel. I don't know if you are part of it yet. So for those who have not yet joined our YouTube channel, you can go right now and search for this YouTube handle, and you can join us there, and you'll be getting more interesting insights on what are the setups, क्या setups है, उसको कैसे देखना है, उसके क्या important levels हैं. ये सारे चीज़ आई एम गोइंग टू बी कवरिंग इन अ डिटेल्ड वीडियो ऑन द आईटी सेक्टर, बिकॉज आई फाइंड दैट आईटी सेक्टर is one of the most promising sectors, and it could definitely have some strong moves in the days ahead, right? So you got some ideas on certain stocks, and I definitely feel that all these promising setups are going to mature in the next few days, and with the dollar testing the August 2020 high, you can definitely expect कि यहाँ पर कुछ होने वाला है, right? So market setups are great. There are a lot of IT sectors stocks which are moving around, and the stocks which are challenging the all times high. So it is always best to wait for a pullback, क्योंकि the moment the all time high will be exceeded, you will always experience a small pullback. So always participate on the pullback when an all time high is exceeded, because it makes sense, because at that all time high there will always be some profit booking, and once the profit booking is over, people who had entered the stock, they have exited, then you will get an opportunity for a fresh move. And that is what we are seeing in stocks like Infosys went to a very nice high way back in Jan 21, and now after a few months it has once again exceeded the high at 1400. So my top picks would be Infi, TCS, L&T Technology Services, and Mindtree. What are your favorite picks? Which two stocks would you suggest would be the top gainers in the next 1 month? Yeah, guys. What do you guys feel? Which two stocks would be the top gainers in the next 1 month? Two stocks. What do you guys feel? कौन से दो stocks होंगे which will be the top performer in the IT sector? Any names? TCS and Tech Mahindra. All right. Infi and Mindtree. Great. Thank you for participation. That's what I like. Infi and Mindtree, Infi and TCS. Okay. ठीक बात है. Mindtree and TCS. Okay. Mastech and Emphasis. All right. I agree with Emphasis. Infi and HCL Tech. Okay. Great. I would just like you all to do one thing. You could, I come to an end of today's feed. It was nice to participate with you all. I would just like you to, if you liked what I shared, if you liked the concepts which were discussed, and if you felt that this video gave you some insight on the IT sector, I would like you to leave a like on this video, and also share your two stocks that you are going to see a very very good run in the next 1 month, because the IT sector results are going to come about, and that would be your pick. So you could go on the comment section, put your two stocks which are going to witness a strong run in the next few days, and I'll catch you in the next video where we will be discussing about some other sector, right? Thank you everyone for joining in, and your support will continue to bring me back every day, and that's how we will be able to interact, right? Thank you so much. Have a good day. So we have got other kinds of programs coming along. You could send in a message to our Instagram handle. You can send us a direct message, and we'll convey to you about the program. Okay, Vaibhav, thank you so much. Emphasis, right? So all of you guys, if you've got any more stocks which you feel are the two stocks where you feel they are going to have a great run in the next 1 month, that's what you got to be sharing in the comment section. Okay, thank you so much. Have a good day. Wait for the next post, and I'll catch you on Tuesday, right? Have a good day. See you. Good night.